Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So for today we'll be going to a new module, that's a new topic, which is fractions. Fractions. It's gonna be to take us time to finish. We'll have so many videos under fractions. So please do well to take this journey one at a time. Thank you very much. So a fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is part of a whole. Fractions are terms which have numerators and denominators. We've defined whole numbers, we've defined decimal numbers to have two parts, the whole number and the fractional part. Now we are moving to fractions to say that fractions have two parts, the numerators and the denominator. The numerator being the up part and the denominator being the down part. So fraction generally is a part of a whole. We look at it from an example here. We have a circle, and this circle is divided into four parts. Four parts. Now, normally each of these parts carries one, but if you want to take the fraction of each part, the fraction of each part is one part all over one part all over the total part. One all over the total part. So if you add all this, if you add the fraction of the four parts together, it will still give you a circle. That's one. It will give you one whole circle. So a fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, remember the terms, numerators and the denominators. So we look at the types of fractions we have. Number one, proper fraction. This is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. That's for proper fraction. The numerator being the up part is less than, that's smaller than the denominator being the down part. And then we have examples here. 1 over 4, 1 is smaller than 4. 2 over 5, 2 is less than 5. 3 over 7, 3 is less than 7. Number two, improper fraction. This is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Examples, 2 over 1. 2 being the numerator is greater than 1. 3 over 2, 7 over 4. Please, you can also do well to write maybe 3 examples for each of these types. Number 3, mixed fraction. A fraction that consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Please, it must be a proper fraction. It consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. So how do we read this? This is 3 whole number. This is 3 whole number, 1 over 2. 3 whole number, 1 over 2. This is 4 whole number, 3 over 5. You see that the fraction attached to it is a proper fraction. A proper fraction. And then this is 10 whole number, 4 over 9. So combination of a whole number and a proper fraction gives us a mixed fraction. Okay. Number 4, like fractions. Like fractions. These are fractions that have the same denominator. So when you have many fractions, more than one fraction, and all the fractions have the same denominator, you can see here we have 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 7 over 5, 4 over 5. All these fractions are having the same denominators, the same denominator, which is 5. And then unlike fraction, these are fractions that have different denominators. This is 1 over 5, 2 over 7, 2 over 3, 1 over 6. So you see that all the fractions, they don't have anything in common when it comes to the denominator. Okay, and then equivalent fraction. These are fractions that have the same values after simplification. After simplification. So later on in this video, we'll look at simplifying fractions. So we'll see what we understand the concept better when we talk about simplification of fractions. So, but what you should note is that 1 over 4 and 2 over 8 are equivalent fractions. That means they have the same value because 2 over 8 There's something we call reducing fractions to lowest terms. 2 over 8. If we reduce, what can divide 2 and 8? 2 can divide 2, that will give us 1. 2 can divide 8, that will give us 4. So it's still equals to 1. It's still the same thing as 1 over. Please, you must take note. These are the types of fractions you always be seeing. Now you will notice, I think we've come to the end of the first part of fractions, the definition and the types of fractions. But you will notice that these lessons are arranged in sequence. You need one to go to the next one. We just finished division, we just finished numbers, we finished multiplication, addition. All those things will be playing, we'll be using all those things in subsequent videos. Please follow the sequence one after the other. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Please stay tuned through this journey of fractions. Fractions can be so beautiful. Thank you. Do well to like, subscribe, and share to others. See you in our next class.